brother around?
Yes. No. I mean, he's gone out.
So, why is your brother treating me like this? Why is Orlando doing this to me? Why? He has no time for me these days. Has he told you if I have offended him in any way?
No. Maybe he's busy.
Busy? Busy doing what? Just don't understand. Please tell him to call me. I thank you.
God bless you. You are so kind. If you hadn't been you and your parents, what would you have done?
That's not okay.
I've just been thinking about this for a while. Alvin, why have you been keeping away from me these days?
It's nothing. Okay. It's just that one of my closest friends just came back from the States. And she insists that I spend some time with her. Okay? Darling, I'm sorry if I hurt you.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I just need a tissue to wipe this off.
Your shirt is stained. Like, would you mind if you drive to my house so I can, change that shirt for you?
Your house?
Yeah, my house. I just live around the corner from here.
Okay, if you insist.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, excuse me 1 minute, I'll just add it.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
You know, dear, I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. I should rather be the one to apologize. You know, I bumped into you.
Well, it fit you perfect.
Yeah. Anyway, my name is Orlando.
Orlando.
Yeah, and you?
Well, call me Cynthia. And nice meeting you.
Are you sure?
Maybe. Well, just 1 minute. I just need to tell you something. This is my card. I'd like to get to know you better.
See, I'll definitely call you sometime.
Please, do
Okay?
not keep me waiting.
Well, I should be asking leave of you now.
Are you sure?
I'm taking a lot of your time already.
Oh, not much. Just 1 minute. I'll grab my keys and, I'll drop you.
Okay. Sure. Okay. So how are you?
Well, I'm doing so great. Hey, but you know what? My only problem is the weather. Damn, Ghana is too hot. I can't even stand the weather.
Look, this is Africa.
I know.
Your homeland. You just have to get used to it, that's all.
I'll try. Hey, is that young lady your sister?
Who was Antoine? Oh, that's my kid sister.
Oh, okay. She's alright.
We live here all alone.
Alone?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? I stopped by, just to invite you, out for dinner tonight. Would you mind if you come with me? Sure.
Let me fix you something.
To you that day at the shop.
Really?
Yeah. Why really?
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm holding for you. My memories are full of your pictures.
Are you sure? I don't like to be flattered. Are you sure?
Anyway, you are a nice guy. And you really fit your description. What did you say?
Thank you. Oh, that's a nice thing.
Eto, guess what? Orlando is coming back, this summer.
Oh, you don't mean it? That would be great.
I can't wait to get
God.
there. It's a beautiful place.
Oh,
You have
God.
beautiful people, lots
So,
of beautiful
so
women.
Nice. It's a lot of
Come on, I
fun
was only
over there.
pulling your leg.
You're gonna be happy. It's so nice. Come on.
What are you guys talking about?
Oh, no. Ladies talk.
I don't like it when you gossip. I don't like it.
fine. Can I see you outside for a minute?
Okay, I'll be with you in a moment. Okay? What do you mean by that?
Who is that girl? Have you forgotten how good Alvina is to us?
Relax. Look, I'm just having a little fun. That's all. It's nothing serious.
Do you call this fun? It is wrong! Do you know how many times Alvina has come here only to meet your absence?
And do you know what Alvina has been doing behind me? Do I live in her house? Why are you talking as if...
Jesus!
I'm sorry.
Just count me out!
Brother around.
Yes. No. I mean, he's gone out.
So, why is your brother treating me like this? Why is Orlando doing this to me? Why? He has no time for me these days. Has he told you if I have offended him in any way?
No. Maybe he's busy.
Busy? Busy doing what? I just don't understand.
Please tell him to call me. I beg you. God bless you. You are so kind. If you hadn't been you and your parents, what would you have done?
That's not okay.
Yeah, you.
Listen, I've not been avoiding you. I've just been busy taking care of some business with some friends. That's all. That's why I didn't see you. I'm sorry, okay?
Are you sure?
Cross my heart. I've told you that I'm all yours.
I've been too busy with my fiance.
What did you say?
Mom, come on, you heard me. I said my fiance.
Daddy, do you know she has a fiance?
Fiance? How can I know if she has refused to let us into her life?
Hey, my God.
My dear.
No, Daddy.
That's happy. So, who is this guy?
Dad, Mom, you don't know him. His name is Orlando.
Orlando?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll bring him one day so you can get to meet him, okay?
Oh my dear, that's the best idea. You know your father and I have been so worried about you settling down. So I think give me a hug. I'm so happy.
Daddy, is that okay?
Fine with me. Let's just see him.
I'm off to the salon, okay? I'll be back before lunch.
Finally. All well and good.
You know, the first time I got here, I just looked around and I was like, wow. I'm just hoping that your father will
Wait and see.
I know fathers are sometimes overprotective.
Oh. Good day, young man.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Lovely. Sit down, sit down.
Okay, hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Beautiful.
So, you are the young man my daughter has been talking about.
Actually, you have a very beautiful daughter.
Just like your mother. That's great. Anyway, my daughter has told me so much about you. Quite impressive. I'm glad I'm meeting you for the first time. So, what do you do for a living?
Well, actually, I'm a graduate from the University of Ghana. Currently, I'm just trying to find my feet.
Hey, this thing. Hey, cars. Every day new inventions. Oh God, these people will kill us with their cars. So, how is our daughter, Cynthia? It's been a long time I set eyes on her. And don't tell me she's gone back without my knowledge.
How could she live without letting you know? You know she's trying to, accomplish the purpose for which we sent for her.
I don't understand. What purpose?
My dear, my daughter is now in a serious relationship
Hey!
with a handsome guy.
Hallelujah!
And guess what?
Eh.
They will soon get married.
Hallelujah! Are you from Ame?
Oh,
That day? Hey! Oh, really? Oh, I can't wait to see them get married, I tell you. I'm happy for you.
what about Albina? Is she still planning to get married to,
Sweetheart.
as she told me?
Hey! Sweetheart. That marriage is absolutely, categorically, specifically coming on.
Tell me.
No two ways about that. And that man, he's such a caring and a perfect gentleman. I tell you.
Thank God for our daughters.
Oh,
And may his will be done in their lives.
at long last. At long last. Hey, I'm waiting for that day. Are you from, Mommy?